Hi everyone, welcome to our YouTube channel. Today we are diving into the fascinating world of contemporary sculptures. In this video we will explore what contemporary sculpture is and take a closer look at some stunning examples. So let's get started. Contemporary sculptures is a form of artistic expression that emerged in the late 20th century and continues to evolve today. It pushes the boundaries of traditional sculpture, challenging our perception of space, material, and meanings. Take a look at this mesmerizing sculpture behind me. It is made from recycled material, giving new life to discarded object. This is a characteristic feature of contemporary sculpture, the use of unconventional material to create through provoking artwork. Contemporary sculpture allows artists like me to experiment with different material and concept. We can use anything from wood and metal to plastic and even organic material. It is all about exploring new possibilities and pushing the boundaries of creativity. Another hallmark of contemporary sculpture is its ability to engage with space. Take a look at this massive installation. It is not just about the object, but also now its interaction with the surrounding environment. Contemporary sculpture often transforms the space through inhabit, creating immersive experience for viewers. Many contemporary sculptures invite viewer participation. This intricate artwork encourages people to touch, move, or even walk through them. It breaks down the traditional barrier between the artwork and the audience. Deeper connection and engagement. Not all contemporary sculptures are large or interactive. Some embrace minimalist, focusing on simplicity and clean lines. This sculpture often provoke contemplations and encourage us to reflect to the essence of the form. Lastly, kinetic sculpture is an exciting aspect of contemporary art. These sculptures incorporate movement, whether it is through mechanical part, wind, or water. They create dynamic and even changing artwork that captivate the viewer attention. And that brings us our exploration. I hope you enjoyed this video. Don't forget to like and subscribe our channel for more content like this. Thanks for watching.